To start using Squawker on your mobile device, once you have it all set up within Squawker on your main PC or laptop, the PC or laptop does need to be running, and you do need to have Dropbox started. So then you can go into your app on your phone or tablet, find that folder we created earlier, mine's called Squawker Box, and then by going into the search text, it's initially set just for frequency, so enter the frequency, hit save, and then when we go back, when we go to results, you can see the information is there. Now we can change how we search within Squawker. In the help text box, there is a list of telling you what you need to enter to be able to search those. So if we go back and into filter by, it's initially set for frequency. If we change that to airport and hit save, we can go back. Now in the search term, so say East Midlands, hit save. If we go back and to results again, there we have all the results that show for East Midlands, including the squawk codes. If you have any questions or problems, as usual, please drop me a message.